Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as always, I'm going to be installing a closure unit glueless with you guys. I'm sorry for the view. Like when I recorded the video, you could see a whole lot better than you do now. I don't know what's going on, but you guys will still be able to see the process. So slap the wig on your head, go ahead and position it, and then take out the baby hair. You guys know I love me some baby hair, some adult hair, whatever the heck you want to call them. I love them. So I'm just going to pull them out, separate them. Okay, so now that all the baby hair are out, I'm going to go ahead and take my favorite lace spray, the Eben. They have this red can and they have the yellow can. I will be sure to go ahead and link it down below. This shit is like magic. Like, not only does it stick, but it like makes the lace your skin color. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's literally magic. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that right in the middle between the baby hair and between the rest of the hairline. I'm also going to take the Touch by Swarovski Magic Melt Foam. I'm just going to do the same thing, put it in the middle of the hairline. I'm going to go ahead and trim the baby hair. This was a pre-worn, unit. So majority of the baby hair were already cut, but just the little extras that I pulled out, I went ahead and just cut those. So put in that magic melt foam right in the same space that I sprayed the Eben. I'm also going to drag the foam down and just use that to go ahead and do my baby hair. Now, if this was like straight hair, I would not use this product to do my baby hair because this product is very sticky. And for straight hair, I like to have like light fluffy baby hair. For curly hair, it doesn't really matter to me. Baby hair are a freaking struggle. Like, no matter how many times I do this, they are a struggle. But I think I got it good enough for the style that I'm looking for. This is how they look after the product dried up a little bit. I don't like to put anything on my hair or on the lace while the product is drying. I like to let the products dry, and then I'll go ahead and apply like a band or something. So while the product is drying, I'm going to go ahead and just figure out what style I'm going to do. The reason why I don't put like a band or the Mega Melt band or a scarf or anything down while it's drying is because it's just going to stick to whatever I'm using to lay it down. So like my lace is just going to stick to the scarf or the Mega Melt band. So I like to let it dry on its own, and then when it's about 90% dry, I will go ahead and then put like a Mega Melt band or a scarf. So I'm just going to be using that olive oil wig grip just to go ahead and fix my baby hair a little more and to mold the hairline. So that ponytail little style looked cute to me. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my hair to put the top in a ponytail. So I'm just holding down the lace as I'm brushing because, again, it's not fully dry. Okay, finally done. My arms was hurting, and after all that time, I hate it. I hate how this looks. I wasted my time. I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, so I still don't know what style I'm going to do, but I am going to just go ahead and put some mousse throughout the wig just to define the curls a little better. So if you're going to use mousse, you want to make sure you're using a mousse with no alcohol. And the mousse that I'm using, their whole entire line has no alcohol. So it doesn't matter if you get like the blue can, the green can, the red can, they all have no alcohol. But look how pretty the curls are. Okay, curls. Okay. So I decided to go with a flip over look. So this is to one side, this is to the other side. And I think that came out really cute. So now after all that, the unit is about 95%, 95% dry. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place my Mega Melt Band on the lace. Okay, and we're gonna fool around for another couple minutes, kill some time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Ooh, it got stuck to my kitchen in the back. Ooh, cha. Ooh, cha. So if you see on the right side, the baby hair looks a little stuck. That is just because I put that wig grip gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my paper towel that has some alcohol, and I'm only going to wipe the actual hair. Like, I'm not gonna wipe where the lace is. I'm just gonna wipe the actual baby hair, and that's gonna loosen them up a bit. And this is the final look. Flip it over to the left, flip it to the right. Either way, she's cute, girl.